Hi students, how are you? I hope you're fine. Today we're going to have the revision of quarter 2. So let's start. We have here, write each multiplication expression, okay, using exponents. So we have here how many A's? I count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will be A to the power, yes, to the power 5. What about this one? I have here 8 to the 4th power. Why? Because 8 is repeated 4 times. Okay. And we have here negative 12 is repeated 3 times. It's very easy. Okay, what about if I say 14 to the power 3 and he asks me to write each power as multiplication expression? So this means that it's 14 multiplies 14 multiplies 14. Okay, easy one. What about this one? Factor each number or monomial completely. So I'm going to make prime factorization. We have here this 12. Okay, we have here we divide by prime numbers. Remember, we divide by prime numbers. So 12 divided, what are the prime numbers? Do you remember? The prime number just have here two factors. So we have here 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and so on. So 12 here divided 2 gives you, yes, 6. Divided 3 gives you 2. Divided 2 gives you 1. So the factors of number 12 are 2 times 3 times 3. So this is the answer. The factors will be 2 times 3 times 3. Okay, so what about if I ask you to here factorize negative 16a b to the power 3c? So what I'm going to do, I have here negative 16 divided by prime numbers. Remember, 2 gives you 8, gives you then here 2. 4 divided 2 gives you 2, divided 2 gives you 1. So I've got here how many 2's? 1, 2, 3, 4. Write that. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. We have here, remember, negative. When you have this negative, write here negative 1. Add negative 1. Okay, why? Because we have here negative. Okay, so after that, remember we have here a b to the power 3c. What should I do here? I have here 1a. How many b? We have 3 b's because it's b to the power 3 times b times b times b. Then we have c. So the answer will be all of this. Okay, the factors here I've got negative 1 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times a times b times b times b times c. Okay, what about the greatest common factor? If he asks me about the greatest common factor, it's very easy. For 6 and 18, the first one, we have here 6 divided 2, 3, 3, 1. We have here 18 divided 2 gives me 9, divided 3 gives me 3, divided 3 gives me 1. The greatest common factor are the repeated number only, the product of the repeated number. So we write here 6 equal 2 times 3, let it be with another color, so it will be 2 times 3, and we have here 18, 2 times 3 times 3, 2 times 3 times 3. So what are the repeated here? 2 times 3. The repeated are 2 times 3, just 2 and 3. So the greatest common factor will be 6. 2 times 3 give me 6. Okay, what about if he gives me monomials? What about monomials? So the repeated here, just the repeated. If you have here 4b, 6ab, here 4 and 6, 4 equal 2 times 2. Okay, 4 times 2. So 4 divided 2, 2, 2 divided 2, 1. And we have here 6, 6 divided 2, 3 divided 3, 1. So we have here 2 times 2, 2 times 3. What 2 times 2, 2 times 3. The repeated here is what? Just 2. Okay, what about B? We have B and AB. We have, what is the repeated here? Just B. So I will write in the greatest common factor 2B, because we have B is repeated and we take from the repeated. Okay. The simplest form. If he asks you to write in a simplest form, and this is very easy, 16 over 24. What I'm doing here, simplify means divided. Simplify means divided. Divided by 16 and 24, I can say they are in table 2. So divided 2 gives me 8, divided 2 gives me 12. Leave it like this, no simplify. I can simplify or divide it by 4 or 2. If by 4, 8 divided 4 gives me, what I do in the denominator, I do it for the denominator, I do it for the numerator. Divided by 4 gives you what? Here 2 divided 3, or 2 over 3. So the answer will be 2 over 3. What about if I have here variables like this? 8a to the power b to the power 2, and we have here 10ab. So we have two things we can do. 8 and 10 divided by 2 gives you 4 over 5. A and A. You can here do this. It will be easier for you. A, we have b power 2. It means b multiplies b. Okay, I write it in expanded form. And I have here AB. A multiplies B. Then A goes with A. B cancelled with B. And the remaining I have here is B. So I have here 4 over 5. Just the remaining here is what? Up B. So 4 over 5B. Remember, if I ask you something here, if I say 7x power 2 over 15x, Miss Dina, I can do it with another way. Of course, 7 and 15, we don't have here any common. It will be the same. Can you remember with me when we said x power 2 divided x? It's what? x2 minus 1, because here the power is 1. Remember? When we divide here the exponents, so I will take x, the base, and here subtract here this one from 2. So it will give you just x2 minus 1 gives me x power 1. It means what? It means x. Okay, easy. Okay, thank you. We will do this. Okay, this is the same idea. Okay, thank you for listening. This is part 1. I will send you part 2 soon. Bye bye.